This is the same render, one with ambient occlusion and one without it. Nothing crazy, but the difference is big. Ambient occlusion helps shows contact shadows. It makes objects feel like they actually sit in the scene. Select your material and open the shader editor. Now add an ambient occlusion node and a color ramp. Plug the ambient occlusion into the color ramp. Then connect the color ramp to the factor of mix shader. Finally, connect the mix shader to the material output. Now you can control the AO strengths just by adjusting the color ramp. No new lights, no texture changes, just better depths and separation. Keep it subtle. Too much AO can easily ruin the look. There are a few small things like this that can improve your renders fast. I covered 6 of them in the previous video. Make sure to check that one too. Subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.